If you want to know how to watch your X, formerly Twitter, history, this video will show you the fastest way to check your recent searches and how to download your full account archive. Whether you want to revisit something you searched for or you need a complete record of your activity, this step-by-step guide will walk you through it on your computer. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's start with the easiest method first. If all you need is to see your recent searches on X, open X in your PC web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the search bar at the top of the screen. Click inside that search bar and a drop-down menu should appear showing your recent searches. From there, you can click on any past search to run it again or click the X next to a search to clear it from the list. This is the quickest way to check your recent search history if you're only looking for keywords, accounts, or posts you've searched before. Now, if you want a much more complete history, including older account data, likes, messages, and tweets, you'll need to download your archive. To do that, stay logged in on your computer and click More in the left side navigation menu. This is the icon with the three dots. After that, select Settings and Privacy. On the next screen, click Your Account. Inside that section, look for Download an Archive of your data and click it. At this point, X will ask you to confirm your identity for security. Enter your password when prompted and complete any verification step you see, such as a code sent to your email or phone. Once that's done, click Request Archive. After you submit the request, X needs time to prepare your data, so don't worry if it doesn't appear immediately. In many cases, it can take 24 hours or longer before the archive is ready. When your archive is finished, you'll get an email and an in-app notification letting you know it's available. Go back to the same settings page, download the zip file, and then extract it on your computer. Inside that folder, you can view your account history and browse the information X has stored for your account. So to recap, if you only need recent searches, just click the search bar on X and view the drop-down history. But if you want your full account history, go to Settings and Privacy, open your account, request your archive, and download it once it's ready. This is the best way to watch, review, and access your X history in a more complete way. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.